Hello everybody, my name is Taylor Green. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
My name is Reece Barber. I'm the other audiologist here at Audiology Associates. We got a load in here today. Me, Taylor, me. There you go. I don't know how many that is. I think that's five. There you go,
yeah.
five. So this patient, lovely lady, came through having some difficulty with her hearing on the one side. Wanted to talk about possibly getting some hearing aids as well. So I did the correct thing and removed the wax first before doing.
Still going.
I can't get past it, man. Yeah, so I did the appropriate thing and removed the wax first and then tested the patient, rather than test the patient full of wax and then try to have a hearing aid, for goodness sake, because probably people. But yeah, looking. It's like, what's that?
Dangling on the top of it.
So just taking these couple of bits away, it's just a little bit of dry skin, but
it's
looking
bit,
good.
Yeah, it's looking really good.
Got like reflex pulsing.
Yeah.
Do you see that?
I was just going to say, is that from the breathing?
Yeah. It's a slightly patulous eustachian tube, I feel.
Patulous.
Yours?
Yeah, mine. Oh, so they're going so quickly.
I know. Some are mega quick as well.
I think mine's a little bit longer. I think so. It's about 6 months, a bit longer anyway.
Yeah.
So we get the standard size on the tube. Very, very similar story. Patient coming through. Regular appointment, I believe, yearly appointment. Feeling a little bit blocked up. Unfortunately, we do have a lot of patients coming through regularly with, the skin and the wax accumulating in the ear, and it just struggles to come out by itself. And this is kind of what we end up with. So I'm just trying to find a spot on this plug where I can hold the grip and then start giving it a wiggle like this here. And you can see it is slowly starting to work its way down the ear canal.
There's a lot coming out there.
So I'm surprised I got a decent grip on that bit.
Whoa,
look at that.
Wow! I was like cigar.
I was just going to say it's like the end of a cigarette butt.
Wow! Was that pretty much their full canal, was it?
It's pretty much the whole length, yeah. You can see it. Have a little look down there if there's any little bits
You can
left.
see where it was attached to the back. Look at that staining on the... Whoa.
Yeah. Again, got to be really careful on these. I was kind of hoping this was going to come away really easy, but it looks like it's attached.
Got to be careful with them. I've got some of those.
Yeah. I'm not generally overly concerned about these little bits that are left, but I tried to get, obviously as much as... all these like bigger bits as we can, but if there's little tiny bits of skin like this, it's perfectly fine to leave these little tiny bits in the ear canal. Now that massive plug that was holding everything in place has come out, the migration process will kind of work a little bit better. But again,
hearing as well.
And the hearing as well.
You started to me now, haven't you?
I know.
You've done it now.
And this is usually what happens when you start to take these little bits, but luckily it did shear away. So, very, very sensitive area. You can see there's a couple of little bits of staining where the back end of that plug was pretty much right up against the eardrum. I've obviously spotted a little bit up in the corner there. So I've got the fine end on here now, which is the smaller of the suction tubes, and I'm just trying to almost touch up against it. There's a tiny little bit I'm not going to be able to get to with the suction, but otherwise looking really good. Is this?
I got no idea because it wasn't a rubber shot the last one. I guess it's the same. Is it me?
I'm gonna say it.
It looks a bit like me, does it?
I don't know.
I don't know. We can normally tell by either the camera or what we do.
It might actually be mine still.
I don't know. It might be me. Let's have a little look. It's dry as a bone. It's tough as old boots. This one. That's probably me because you'd go Rosen insert.
I probably would have tried to Rosen insert.
So I've got right hook. So yeah, just trying to get behind it. But I got a funny feeling this is that weird. Consistent. I don't know. It's sometimes you get these ones and they're like rock solid on the outside and they're a little bit thinner in the middle. Thinner? That's the wrong word. Softer. That's the word. Sorry guys.
It's definitely thin.
That's definitely not. It's definitely far from thin.
Nothing thin about that.
Far from thin.
There we are.
Wow, look at the colour gradient in that now.
Oh. It's like a Valspar colour chart.
It's very autumnal colours, I feel this one. Yeah, it's very on trend. This is me would love that. There you go. I don't know. I reckon this might be you.
I have no idea.
Yeah, it was one of us.
I can't remember this one at all.
It's definitely not Katie because you showed in the folder. Oh, that's going to go well. Look at that. Oh, chunky. Well, we'll be able to know because the last patient, the one that you just did a second ago, was that really long piece.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
So it might well be the same one.
We'll find out.
We'll find out. The ruler shot will tell all in a second, guys, as to which one of us was.
That's true. Yeah, the ruler shot didn't come up today.
It didn't come up.
Ah, right.
So I think
it probably is.
There's got to be one in there, right? And if you see two big chunky pieces,
yeah,
you know that was definitely yours.
I think I remember. Yeah, I think I do actually remember that one now. So this patient, it's literally come back to me now when I just seen some of the kind of redness to the ear canal. So that particular patient suffers with eczema. So yeah, comes in regularly. I remember now. Sorry. Ooh. It didn't look like one that I would normally.
Yeah. I think my camera's got it's a little bit pinker. My camera makes the skin look a bit pinker. Yours is a bit yellow.
Yours is clearer as well.
What are you doing to yours, bud?
I don't know, just wiping it, cleaning it, and
just wait for his trousers fingers in the next one. There you go. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of this particular type of wax. It's got that sort of softer consistency to it, and it's really sticky. But when you're trying to wiggle a plug out, it doesn't tend to wiggle particularly well. It just sort of moves the front end of the plug, and the back stays all stuck in there. So yeah, not always easy ones. I've got a bit of skin around this one though, which sometimes helps. You kind of wrap the skin around the front and kind of almost like twist and hold on to it, so it wraps it all up as like a little parcel. And it can come away really well then. Oh, that's not coming away well, though, is it? Nope. Just kind of stretching.
Yeah.
I think the suction they blocked, I could see it just wasn't pulling on the suction at that point. Oh, I don't know. Oh, no.
I was going to say, is it just breaking away?
I think it's just peeling apart, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks like it.
That's just not going anywhere, is it? Oof. Oh, nearly. I didn't show that, but see, even I did it.
It's not just me.
Yeah, see, even I didn't do it that time. Well, I did do it that time.
Did it?
So it's it's coming away. It's
go white that is on the.
I know, and it's got that thick outer skin layer that's just kind of holding everything in there. Look at that. Lots of oil got in here now. That canal slopes upwards quite a way, doesn't it?
Yeah. It dips and then comes back up.
Oh, I can see the eardrum beyond though. I just had a quick glimpse on the right hand side there. Oh.
Here it comes. Oh, look at that. Wow.
Oh, look at that bad boy.
That torpedo.
I know. Oh, that's what was holding it in, look.
Yeah.
There you go. That's what it was. So extreme close up then. There we go. It's a bit of a crash zoom.
Lovely.
Oosh.
Pretty much exactly the same on the other side.
I wonder if it'll be that sort of long cigarette butt kind of.
It's been a theme, isn't it? We've had a couple of those.
Yeah.
We've talked through.
We've had a few. Yeah, we've had a few come like that. Which other films I took my son-in-law to the British Motor Museum in God, where was it? Can't remember. Warwick, I think it was. And they had some cars there from TV and film. What they had there was bizarre. Was the Lady Penelope's car from the Thunderbird film? Yeah. That thing is held together with little bits of sticky tape and all sorts of stuff going on in there. It was nuts. And they had this massive thing, and I was like, "What is that from?" I'm normally pretty good with films. I would have got it was from Judge Dredd. It was awesome as well. I would have driven that.
Judge Dredd, is that when he goes into the
high rise? Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Urban and Lena Hindi. Yeah, strange little pattern. I did go in and have a good old look at that. I think it was just a little bit of skin accumulation, nothing to be concerned about, but just something to look at. I think we're quick fire now.
Can you see like the not fuzziness, but can you see like you almost got like a square around mine? It's like the light is.
Yeah.
I don't know.
That's your halo.
That's my halo.
That's your halo. That's because you're a shining example. You are a beacon of hope.
For the wax.
For the wax. That's what it is. Taylor, the lovely Mr. Taylor Green, beacon of hope.
Beacon of hope.
That's what's going to be on his running vest coming up now on Sunday.
Yeah, beacon of hope.
Follow me, I am the beacon of hope. Yeah.
I don't know if they got the exposure up too high. I'll have to check my settings.
I think it's the case. I think it's the adapter from the phone. God, that was quick.
In and out. Nice and easy.
This is why you're the beacon of hope.
See? It looked like it was going to take me a while, to be fair, that one.
This one's got to be mine then, by the looks of it. What have we got there?
This must be the last one, because this is the
Have
fifth
we done
one,
the 5 now?
This is the 5th one, I think.
Look, I didn't even mess around. Straight in there with the forceps. Look at that lovely keratin plug there. Ooh. Yeah, that is actually scar tissue, that bottom section there, from a tympanoplasty, which is where they repair the eardrum. So there's a scar tissue at the end, and it went off. So we've got a new way of doing these videos, guys, and normally the video stays on at the end, and we've got the ruler shot displayed there, but it's actually going off really quickly as soon as I finish the video, so we've got to be quick to catch the ruler. I wasn't quick enough, I'm sorry. Well guys, if you did enjoy the videos, don't forget you can always like, heart, share, follow and subscribe for me. If you thoroughly enjoy the videos, you can also consider becoming members of the channel, and that way then you get to see even more videos every single week. But in the meantime, guys, as always, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another, and myself, and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green, the beacon of hope. We'll see you for the next video. Bye everybody.
Bye-bye.